So, understanding insomnia and the role of acupuncture in treatment. Insomnia is a common sleep disorder characterized by difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up too early and not being able to return to sleep. This condition affects millions of people worldwide and can lead to various health issues, including anxiety, depression, fatigue, and impaired cognitive function. Factors contributing to insomnia include stress, anxiety, medical conditions, and poor sleep habits. Chronic insomnia can be particularly debilitating, affecting an individual's quality of life. While conventional treatments often include medication, many people seek alternative therapies due to concerns about side effects or dependency. One such alternative gaining popularity is acupuncture. Acupuncture, a key component of traditional Chinese medicine, involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points on the body to promote healing and balance. It is based on the belief that the body has an energy flow known as qi, pronounced qi, which can become disrupted. By stimulating certain points, acupuncture aims to restore this balance and enhance overall well-being. Research suggests that acupuncture may be effective in treating insomnia by addressing underlying issues such as stress and anxiety. Here's how it works. Relaxation. Response. Acupuncture promotes relaxation by triggering the release of endorphins and other neurotransmitters that help calm the nervous system. This can lead to reduced anxiety levels, making it easier for individuals to fall asleep. Regulating sleep patterns. Studies have shown that acupuncture may help regulate sleep cycles and improve sleep quality. By stimulating points associated with sleep regulation, acupuncture can help enhance the body's natural sleep-wake rhythm. In conclusion, while insomnia can be a complex and frustrating condition, acupuncture offers a promising alternative for those seeking relief. By addressing the root causes of sleep disturbances, acupuncture not only aids in improving sleep quality, but also enhances overall health and well-being. For anyone struggling with insomnia, consulting a qualified acupuncturist may be a beneficial step.